Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right model for your goal and why it matters: accuracy, latency, and cost trade-offs. Once chosen, authenticate with API keys and set environment variables so requests are repeatable. Make sure to define input format: plain text for simple prompts, JSON for structured data, or streaming for low-latency responses. Begin with a small test, prompt to confirm connectivity and response shape. This verifies everything before you scale up to larger batches or production calls. You now craft prompts and build the execution pipeline to control output quality and cost. Start with a clear system instruction, provide examples, and break complex tasks into steps so the model stays focused. Once done, implement batching, retries, and token budget limits to manage throughput and expenses. Also add validation layers. Check schemas, filter hallucinations, and compute confidence scores. These measures let you accept, flag, or reprompt outputs automatically and keep the pipeline reliable as loading. You finish by deploying with safety. Run canary tests, instrument latency, error percentage, and cost per call so you can respond quickly. Make sure to log inputs and outputs securely for debugging and privacy compliance, and set alerts for model drift or sudden failure spikes. If things go wrong, first adjust prompts, add constraints, increase context length, or lower temperature to reduce variance. If that fails, roll back to a previous model snapshot and investigate training or data issues before re-releasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.